Black wall-to-floor R in e-printer track. Installation video. Please search the official website for details. First, introduce the accessories tools. Electric ink blotter, the display screen, signal line, keyboards, mice and other devices, transfer belt and fixator, UV ink, bracket setting screw, printer host, pulley extension bracket and various bracket. Now we can start assembling. Take out the transmission belt and cable. Unscrew the screw and remove the belt. After straightening, finishing and flattening, take the folding rack and assemble it. First, fix the steel ribbon under the bracket. Pay attention when fixing. Anchor the steel strip to the middle of the joint. After the front and rear screws are fixed, bring the belt around the other side of the bracket. Indirect demonstration. Direct demonstration. After fixing the conveyor belt steel plate, install the roller support rod. Usually 2 screws are needed here. Put the support up. Check belt tightness. Reattachment support set screws at the fold. Secure the cable track to the bracket. The cable goes through, and the initial installation is complete. Before you get on the track, prop up the roller to prevent the track from moving. Access the ground rail. Put the cart on the ground track. Connect the navigation cable. Pay attention to the plug holes. Connect a USB port. Install the rail support. Put the top screw first stuck in a gap in the track. Tighten the lower fixing screw. Finally, tighten the upper screws. Test the stability of the scooter. Next, install the ground rail belt. Place belt retainer in bracket. Measure belt retainer and the outer distance of the track. Let the belt open and keep it straight. Then tighten the belt retainer screws and fix the transmission belt. Note that the smooth side of the conveyor belt faces up. Then the belt is inserted into the transmission gear. Tighten the belt retainer on the other side. Pay attention to belt retainer distance from the outside of the track. Finally, slide left and right to check whether there is a problem with the installation. Measure whether the distance between ends and edges is the same. Fixed inside clamp for pallet. Adjust to a suitable height. Then tighten the screws to secure. Can also be adjusted left and right. Put the mouse and keyboard on to use. Next, install the computer bracket. Tighten all the screws. Install screen below round hole power supply plug VG video cable. Interface the other and plug it into the mainframe. A receiver that plugs into the wireless mouse and keyboard. Open the power cord and start testing. Button lock print head. Remove the cover from the print head. Turn on the display. Pour in the corresponding color ink one by one. Keep the lid loose. Attach the ink blotter to the print head. Remove the ink blotter. Wiping nozzle. The support is about 24 cm away from the wall. First, press the button to open the print head. Then adjust the print head about 1 cm away from the wall. Our printer is printing on the wall. The ink dries quickly during the process. Tighten all ink bottle caps to prevent spills when placed upside down. Loosen the screws on both sides and remove the steel bar. After the machine is laid flat, it can be used as a support rod. Screw off. Take the other side off too. Likewise, our machines can print on the ground. First, put the bracket down. Loosen the screws, rotate and straighten the cartridge, retighten the screws. Whenever there is not enough ink, a constant ink alarm sounds. We need to pour in the corresponding color of ink and tighten all the caps. Then flip the display and tray, turn on the host switch and the display switch. The display supports touch control. Next, ground printing display. The above picture is accelerated by n times. The printed image is also waterproof. Thank you for your viewing.